We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, battery saver, mirror memory. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.